Hey yo, it's Skippy. Chriso. See my water stop here? That goes DIYs. That goes right down to the floor. This is a 100 mil bed, which is way over the top, but that's how it was. So the plumber actually stripped it out, not me, but you can't do anything about it. Everything had to come out, so that was it. Check my fall. Okay, that's good. See that fall? Oh, nice. Oh, I like it. I want to come down a little bit. That's it. I like that. I do not split tiles in my waste. That's a no-no. This is a seamless shower, so the shower screen goes around there. I've waterproofed all out here, but no water will come from that shower out into here. But if it ever did a bit, it's all waterproofed anyway. The beauty of clips, far out. All tilers have got it so easy these days. DIYers, you've got it easy as well, because when clips weren't in, I reckon real tilers were, tilers were real tilers then. Sorry, young fellas. But it was a lot harder to tile, but then the tiles were a lot smaller, so it always, it always followed your slope easier. than big tiles. Clips are so helpful. Okay, I'll sign off before you guys get bored with my babbling on. But that's the principle of it. Now we come out like that. It's a glass shower screen, no aluminium, so it's got to be a nice joint, and it is, so it's going to look super cool. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.